Hi guys, I'll be showing you the vmVaporizer Mini DIY kit. This is the vmVaporizer Mini itself. It's not going to come with any blower attachment because some people have been asking if we can send or if we have an option of the vaporizer without any blowers. So we're going to now offer this option, and it'll come with a PVC flexible coupling, 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches, a turkey baster to drop in the oxalic acid, our own custom torches now made. We have a bunch of these in stock, a belt clip for the propane tank so it'll be easier for you to carry around, a cleaning kit that comes with a stainless steel brush to clean the propane injector, and a little kit and some spare parts there to make sure your torch is working at all times. And basically how you set this up is you slide this PVC coupling onto the vaporizer and tighten it so it's pretty strong, so it doesn't come off. You want to tighten it as strong as you can. You don't want this thing slipping off while you're working, while you're treating your hives. So once you got the vaporizer tightened, you want to put on your blower fan. Now the nice thing about these fans is that Makita, DeWalt, we prefer the DeWalt, but if you have your own fan, a Makita, a Milwaukee, or a DeWalt, they pretty much all come in the same, roughly same size. So this coupling is flexible. You kind of got to wedge it in. It's a little bit of a little hassle, but once you get it in there, it's going to be pretty strong. You might want to untighten it a little bit, give it some more room. And once you have it in there, it's going to be solid. And there you go. I have it in all the way. Make sure you tighten it all the way so it doesn't slip off the fan or the vaporizer, and I'll show you just how strong it holds in just a second. Even if I back away here and I swing it like this, it's not coming off, so it's pretty strong. Didn't even move, didn't even budge. Once you have that connected, you can connect your propane tank, screw that in all the way. You can put the belt clip on if you want. That slides on there, and then you can have that on your belt as you're working. Now connecting the torch itself, you're gonna take the front end, obviously, stick it in. Once you stick it in, turn it to its side. Once you turn it to its side, we have this little hose clamp here. You'll connect this. It's pretty simple. Now firing it up, you're gonna open it 2 churns. So 1, 2 full churns, that'll be enough. And then light it. And you're gonna wait about 45 seconds. So once you get it pretty hot and it's ready, you're gonna take some oxalic acid, dab it in, not too much, about 1 inch from that tip, maybe less. Drop it all in, and you'll hear a cracking sound of the oxalic acid. Then you want to press your fan to see if you're getting any vapor. If it's not hot enough, then you got to wait a little bit longer. And then you'll see that thick white smoke. I'm pressing the trigger just a little bit to keep the oxalic acid from going into my fan. So it's a little cooler morning today, so probably 1.5 minutes would be better. On hot days, it's about 45 seconds to preheat. Okay, there you go. It's coming. You'll see that thick white vapor, and the wind's away from me, so that's good. So yeah, about 1.5 minutes preheating if it's a cool morning. If it's a hot day, 45 seconds. And there's that first load. This is the first time I'm firing this vaporizer up, so it's brand new, never been used. So once that oxalic acid is out, I'll throw in another load, see what happens. We make sure it works. There you go, it's cracking. It's making a cracking sound, that's what you're looking for. And after that's done boiling, you'll get that thick white vapor you want. for your hives. And there you go. I'm just pressing the trigger half a second, maybe less. You don't want to press too much because you'll blow it all out. And there's your vapor. And now once you have it preheated enough, you want to turn it down just a little bit, maybe 1/8 of a turn on that valve to keep it from overheating. And then you'll just drop in a little bit more. Now it's cracking again. Now I'm gonna hold the fan just a little bit longer. I'm gonna step back here so it doesn't go into my fan, into my phone. And there's your thick white vapor. Now, as you have your propane tank on your side, you'll have a little tool belt pouch on your side as well for the oxalic acid to make it easier. And there you go. Now the wind's going this way, so. So that was the 4th load there. We'll do one more load. You always want to have the fan pressing a little bit to keep the oxalic acid from going into the fan. Otherwise it'll destroy your fan pretty fast and you don't want that. And there you go. There's your vmVaporizer DIY kit. Thank you. Now to cool it down, you'll just press it all the way. Have your fan on the full speed. Cool it down. Once you have it cooled down enough, just as long as it's not red hot. And if you want to put it away into your truck or wherever you're going and you don't want to melt things in your truck, you can just stick it into a bucket of water or pour some water on it and it'll be fine. Thank you.